guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to add video inside text in Adobe Premiere Pro with 5 easy steps. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Step 1. Assign new sequence to the video. Launch Premiere Pro and import your footage into it. With your clip in the project window, right-click on it and select New Sequence from Clip. Step 2. Use Type tool. If your Essential Graphics panel isn't visible, you can go up to Window and click on Essential Graphics. In the toolbar, select the Type tool. Step 3. Type the word that will display on screen. Click on the program window, and in capital letters, type the word you'd like to have on screen for this effect. Select your text. And in the Essential Graphics panel, under the text heading, adjust the size of the text to your liking. Under the Align and Transform tab, click on the Set Scale lock to disable the constraints, and adjust the height of your text to your preference. Step 4. Reposition the word. Click on the horizontal and vertical centering icons to center your text on screen. Depending on your font, you might have to reposition the text. On your timeline, adjust the duration of the text layer to match the duration of the video clip. Step 5. Use Track Matte key to display video inside text. In the Effects window search bar, type in Track Matte key, under Video Effects > folder, and drag this effect onto the video clip on your timeline, not the text layer. With your video clip selected in the sequence, go to the Effect Controls window, and under the Track Matte key effect, select Video 2 in the Matte drop-down menu. This is the track that our text layer is on. You now have the video displaying inside your text. Video Repair Tool. Video Repair Tool is one of the best and top-rated software that has enough capability to fix all kinds of corrupted, damaged, broken or inaccessible video files. Apart from AVI, it can repair other video file formats as well, such as MP4, MKV, WMV, MOV, F4V, MPEG, MKV, UBSH, etc. Besides, it can fix all sorts of video-related issues like choppy, jerky, grainy, pixelated, out of sync, etc. So, feel free to download the software. Here are steps to use the software. Step 1. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Step 2. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. Step 3. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software. And click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. That's all. Hope you liked this video.